at this mess. Okay, we are going to fix this lion's mane today using one of my new techniques for beach waves with a curling iron. So we'll start out, I just section out the hair. I start at the nape of my neck and get that small section there going. And use a clip to hold that up. Then I will just start curling it. I use a 1-inch curling iron. My favorite brand for curling irons is the Babyliss. This is a ceramics Babyliss curling iron, and it's one of my favorites, 1-inch. And I'm gonna just start out and do those curls. I'm not really trying to do a tight curl. This is more of just a wave curl, so I kind of twist the curling iron and then just pull it down through the hair so that it just kind of gives it a curl but not such a tight curl. Then we'll go to the next sections, and as we get higher with each section, the hair obviously will get a little bit longer, and so then we're going to do more of a little bit different curl here. So what I'm going to do is I always slide down the curling iron, and then when I wrap it, I kind of do more of a twist instead of like a actual curl around the curling iron barrel. See how I curl it there, and then I'll twist it like that. So I'm going to just do that all the way around my head, basically. I alternate pieces going towards my face and away from my face. I do this because I feel like when you do that, the pieces of the hair will, it gives it more of an undone look. All of the curls don't stick together, and so then you have just more piecey, more of a piecey look. When it's all done, you'll see how it looks, and it just makes it look better. Then it doesn't look so curled, it just looks more like kind of wavy and just more natural. So that's why I do it. I alternate from front to back. So I'm going to go in slow motion here so you guys can kind of see how I really get it done there. Pull it down, and then I twist around and to get that curl. So it looks really tight. Not really tight, but it looks like more of a tighter curl at first, but then once at the very end, we'll shake it out and you'll see how it looks. But here it just goes in slow motion, so you can watch that for a few minutes and see how to get the technique down really well. It's a little bit tricky at first, so I recommend just trying it a few times, and once you get it down, it's like super easy. to show you guys really quick here how I do this very front piece. I do it similar, but just a little different. I always smooth out the top right there, just so that it goes away from my forehead a little bit, and then I pull it down, kind of just twist it the same right there, but I make sure to kind of pull it away from my face when I'm pulling it, so that it's not sticking straight onto my face, because I don't want that. I kind of want it away, not, you know, we don't like when our hair is plastered to our face, so just to give it a little more movement and fullness right there by my forehead, I'll do that. You'll see it more once we fluff it all out at the end. So there you go, you can just keep watching, and I just finish it up. I have about one more piece here, and then we'll be good. Alright, well, before we brush it all out, we have to wait a few minutes and for it to dry. I'm just making sure all the pieces are curled. And then first, before I put any spray on it, I'm going to rub my fingers through, mess it all up, get those curls all loose, just like we like them. There we go. That's what we wanted right there. Now I take my Ag Tactile Texture Spray, because it is the bomb. It's my fave, and it's my favorite texture spray. It's the one I will almost always use when it comes to putting texture in my hair. It's just a really good product. So I put that in, kind of scrunch up my hair, and we're done. Finished. Perfect beachy waves. That's what we wanted.